Hey guys, in this lesson we're going to learn how to play Back in Black, more of an intermediate version. In the previous video we learned a really simple one string version. In this version we're going to start using two string chords. These are kind of like bar chords, but they're still using open strings. So first one you got to learn is with the low E string and the A string with your first finger at the second fret, and you play those together. It sounds kind of like this. Then the next one is going to be the D string and playing the G string at the second fret, and only play those two strings. And then the last one is the A string with the D string at the second fret, like that. So first of all, E with the A string at the second fret, D with the G string at the second fret, then A with the D string at the second fret. And the way that works with Back in Black is you're going to do the E version first, D 3 times, and the A 3 times, just like this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And this is a great way if your child has already learned the easy version of Back in Black. It's a good way to play along with them in their lessons and to be able to just share learning with them. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any songs that you would like to hear, please request them in the comments.